Hello! Just arrived in Varanasi, our new hotel, the Hotel Madin. I think that's how you pronounce it. M-A-D-I-N. Anyway, it's a nice looking room. Obligatory pigeon poo on the window, but other than that, yeah, nice bed, little cushions, backrests, little couch area, coffee table. Show you the view, although it's not worth looking at.
It's not bad.
It's alright, yeah, there'll be something to look at. And over there is one of the two rivers in Varanasi, but it's not the Ganges. I think he said Varan River, not sure, I'll have to check. But yeah, so I just made a cup of coffee, TV, usual cupboards. I wonder if there's a minibar in this fridge. No minibar, that's good. You're always open to be charged for something you haven't used. And the bathroom's quite nice as well. Storage area, got slippers back in this hotel. Yeah, coat racks, extra pillars, safe, ironing board behind there. Set of scales here, and got a nice big mirror, nicely laid out, and the bath, and a shower, although I don't know what's going on here. Which shower? Oh, the shower's in the ceiling, that's it. So this becomes a wet room. Right, and then I noticed, I was looking at the freebies, as I do. Looks like we've got another comb, so that's alright. But look, charcoal toothpaste, mint natural teeth whitening with charcoal.
Teeth white.
Yeah, charcoal.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've got some here. So it could be a gift for someone, or we could try it.
I'm not giving free toothpaste.
What? We've been on holiday to India, we brought you a present. Real flower, that as well. Yeah, so it's a wet room, the shower head is in the ceiling if you look. Yeah. So that's it. Apparently this one's got a rooftop pool again. So we'll go look at that. It's 1:30, driver's picking us up at 3:30, and we're going down to the Ganges, the River Ganga.
You say it like that?
That's what Indians call it.
Yeah.
Ganga. Ganga. Yeah, oh, it's something special, isn't it? So we're going to see the evening ceremony down at the Ghats. So looking forward to that. This is probably the town that I was most looking forward to coming to, actually. Obviously there's Taj Mahal and all that carry on. Golden Temple yet to be seen. But as a town, I think Varanasi was like my #1. So I hope it lives up. Alright, so I'll see you later. Bye.